No, go bolela ka mama ka ho ima.
No, we can stop if you
Yeah,
don't.
no, go bolela ka mama ka ho ima because
Women,
she's the one person o lo reng I believe hore le kajeko I wouldn't feel the absence of my dad the way I do. Nke mama ka sa phela.
yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't because o itletse role high. Yeah, o itletse role high, and I've never had a chance ya almost hore ke appreciate dilo tsotlhe tse le reng o nketse tsona. Ke di appreciate. So yeah, man, that song I gotta do it perform.
Listen.
Yeah, I gotta do it perform because I know what it means to me, and I know where it comes from, and the person that I was. Hene ke ngwala pina ela ke motho lo re nna bona hore le ena o tlo sala motswadi ya mora. So yeah, it's very saddening, Sham. It's very saddening. Dilo tse lo reng re go through tsona as bana ba lo reng ba lositse batswadi.
I don't.
Yeah, it's very saddening, and it's hard. It's hard. People need to understand, Lori. It doesn't get any easier. Yeah, it doesn't get any easier. O lose motswadi ke ntho e nngwe. Whether o bile teng mo bophelong ba hao or ha ba teng mo bophelong ba hao, but the connection le ho tswala, it's something se lo reng it will always remain le wena hore yaanong motswadi a ka sa le teng, and if fetoleng ke a le teng, maybe na ka change if na sa o tshware bila or like something. So yeah, ke ngwana hao ke tla ho wena mme jwale tsela ka e bona e yang lehodimong. Because ke motho lo reng o lwadile sebaka. Yeah, she was sick for a very long time, and I was one person o lo reng o bone bolwetse ba hae ka mahlo, and I would take her to the checkup and whatnot. Even in her last days, I'm the one that took her to go habo ko Polokwane ko ne ke bolelang ke re ke tswa ko teng ko mama hae. O tlhokofalletse mo matsong a mama hae. Just soon after ke mo isitse ko teng. And for that, because of that, ke sele ka ba le a phase mo bophelong ba ka mo lo reng there was a lot going on in my mind, and I like ne ke nana dilo tse dintši. Some of them people ba tlo makala le ke bolela or no, this guy can't be really le aba so. I was one person o lo reng after my dad I always told myself, or if my mom passes away, I'm going to